What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got Bitcoin sitting at $98,000. Another all-time high has been put through for Bitcoin. We are potentially going to see history inevitably made very, very soon. And I do think we will see six figures for the first time ever for Bitcoin. Possibly this week before Sunday. Could even be today, could even be tomorrow. This thing moves quick when it wants to. Now we're talking about, of course, Pepe coin. Maybe you're someone that got in a little bit late and you're holding a bag from the 0.00002524 region. Now, it might not be a terrible thing, but of course you might be wondering what could potentially happen next when you're holding, more of the sort of overbought region. And you can of course see on the price action side, we are trickling away slowly into these support levels that we didn't want to hit. Also, very quick one, guys, for the crypto legend patrons and crypto champion patrons, a new cat coin straight to DEX is happening very, very soon, today in fact. So if you want to find a new potential MOG or cats and dogs in a new world, Mew token, and all these humongous cat coins that are just going absolutely parabolic, like Popcat Soul, this could be potentially a huge 10 to 50x coin. So definitely check out in the Discord. Become a patron if you want to get that early contract address access, stealth launch or fair launch information, which could potentially make huge amounts of money. The details are down below. So let's just talk about quickly Pepe coin. Of course, Bitcoin is looking great, and as long as Bitcoin looks great, we would hope that other coins can follow. Also, we can see here, Pepe is unfortunately coming back down to these lower support thresholds. It did hit that 0.18 very, very recently and has bounced back up to 0.197 now. We do want to see positive continuation here. When we look at the 4-hour time frame, Pepe actually blipped down to this 40 RSI level, which is typically one of my sort of buyback zones when it hits 40 relative strength index on this 4-hour time frame. Now, looking at the overall price action, I don't think this is all that bad. Yes, we've invalidated now this symmetrical triangle, so it's no longer that relevant. We've also invalidated that support region, which we've been talking about a good few times, which is still, I would say, relevant because we're clinging onto that support. Now, you could also visualize this in a completely different way. It's always perspective and things change. So now we could sort of view this as a bullish reversal pattern, being that falling wedge pattern, which has slowly formed over time because we've caught this support now at 0.18. If we can get a breakout to the upside, go through this crumbling resistance of 197, and if we do get a healthy breakout, then we can start to target the next sort of leg up here for Pepe. So if you're thinking, is it going to go up? Well, realistically, 0.618 Fibonacci extension here could tell us that maybe we'll hit 0.000022 in just a few days' time. So not all is lost. And if we do hit an all-time high, I'm still bullish at 0.29 or 0.3 can happen here for Pepe coin. Of course, not financial advice. I don't know the future, but it's been a great, great few weeks. And I still think we've got a good bit of time of bullish momentum here. Before Donald Trump sees inauguration, right, we should be moving up very nicely. And this does look like a very genuine bullish reversal pattern, being a falling wedge right here, which could break out to the upside. It could be a bit of a shakeout for people that got in, maybe selling here, but who knows, this could fly. If not, it might come down to this support region. The first support region that we would be looking at is 0.173. Of course, it's very hard to say, but Pepe is its own big thing. 700,000 followers for a reason. I think the third largest meme coin out there with $8.28 billion on the market cap. Looking at that market cap, it did surge up to almost 10 billion. So it's natural for it to pull back 10, 20, 30% before potentially making another leg up. I would personally say not to be too worried, but hey, I'm just someone that sits behind a camera. You can see here concentration by large holders that are 73%. Price correlation of Bitcoin 0.94. We can also see holders making money at the current price, 90% in, 5% out. So a lot of people are indeed holding, as you can see over here. So really, really cool. Transactions greater than $100,000, $8.38 billion worth. So a lot of whales do buy indeed Pepe coin. Of course, if you're out there, by the way, want to make more money in the crypto space, have access to a great VIP community where you're going to get alpha, you're going to get tons of trading signals like this. I mean, look at this guy. Well done to him. 900% on a trade. Check out the Patron down below. Space is very, very limited, and we're here to cater for you. We're here to serve you so you can grow and amplify your crypto gains in this wonderful, wonderful market. Before we check out on this Pepe video, quick one with Pepe Unchained because the time is running out. 21 days, 22 hours before we see these major exchange listings. Last chance to buy before major exchange listings. $0.01295. So could be a really, really good ecosystem to get into. It's a layer 2 ecosystem, so it has got that DEX, Bridge, Block Explorer, it's memecoin meets utility, staking as well as developers grant. It does look very, very bullish, I would say, as anti-rug security. Developers cannot pull this liquidity as it is locked by default. Also, no buy and sell tax can be implemented. This protects traders from malicious activity and keeps trading fun. So if you're looking for a new Pepe kind of alternative, which will have a much lower market capital, maybe provide more of a chance to actually make 10x potential, you can do a bit of research on Pepe Unchained. You buy it by connecting a MetaMask wallet, and once you've done that, you convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of Pepe Unchained tokens. And of course, don't risk more than you can afford to lose, but this is growing more and more, and it will be listing very soon on DEX and centralized exchange. Fingers crossed it can be a good one. Let me know down below, where do you think Pepe will go? Do you trust these charts? Do you think that this reversal pattern will play out and push to the upside and strike some green candles on the chart? We can see it is actually pumping a little bit right now. Just looking at this 1 hour, we're actually getting a pretty juicy green candle come through, and we are pushing through that resistible barrier. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you very, very soon. Peace.